In this video, we're going to be putting together a bead bracelet. A few years ago, a friend gave me this Room 101 bead bracelet. I went to put it on the other day and it broke. So I'm going to rebead it, but first of all, I want to clean it up. So what happened with this little bead is when it got cast,
some air bubbles got trapped in the eye, forming this silver ball. When air bubbles get trapped against the wax mold when you're investing, it creates a small void in the mold. When you pour the molten silver in, it fills that void, leaving behind a silver ball or a bump stuck on your casting. That's why we vacuum the investment to remove any bubbles, but there always seems to be one hiding in the eye sockets. This has really bugged me, so I'm going to remove it and give this bead a refurbish.
And here's another little bead bracelet here that's going to be made up. So, and about halfway around, we've got this little spacer ring that we put in there. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how we do our little bead bracelets, and I'm obviously going to fix up my Room 101 bracelet. Okay, so let's get into it.
Using a sharp burr, I'll get in there and remove that ball. Looks like there's another in the nose. I'll remove that as well.
So you can really see I've had to grind that eye out. A really big bubble in it. Just about to head back into the polishing room and polish those beads up, and I'm also going to polish up the spaces because they're looking pretty filthy. So we're not going to film it because it's not that exciting.
A few moments later.
We are back and the bead is nice and shiny and I've blackened the eyes. So let's find some beads and get this done. You see here it's actually double-sided, so we've got a skull on both sides, which is pretty cool. I definitely like the concept, but on my beads I've just got the face on one side and on the back it's very plain. So for the Room 101 bracelet, I think I'm going to do the black onyx bead. And for my Tin Man, I think I'm going to go for this nice wooden bead, the last one. So I haven't decided yet, and I'm going to figure that one out later. To work out my wrist size, I'm going to use this strip of paper.
Wrap around your wrist tight and then mark.
So my wrist size is 7 inches.
First, we're going to need some stretchy cord.
So cut off a little bit extra. This is going to make it a lot easier to tie your knots.
Make sure to pre-stretch before you start beading. This bit's easy, just thread through the hole, but it can be a little fiddly.
Using these templates, it makes it really easy to know how many beads you're going to need for your bracelet.
Start by doing an overhand knot first, then pull tight so the beads are touching. Then do another overhand knot. Now we want to shrink and tighten. I'm going to pull on the bracelet like this, then pull on all 4 cords to tighten up the knot. Don't pull too tight, you don't want to break the cord. Now we're going to do one more knot. Put both cords together, loop over your finger and then through the bracelet, then back through the circle and pull tight. Now we're going to use a little bit of super glue to finish off the knot. Then cut, then we'll hide it in the spacer. Now we're done.
I'm really happy on the way these beads turned out, and they always look good when you layer them. I decided to go for lapis lazuli and the onyx on this bead here. I'm also going to put some links below on some other videos that I found very helpful on learning how to tie bead bracelets. I'm sure they're going to explain it a lot better than I did. I'm really happy I managed to bring this bracelet back to life. Room 101 is a pretty cool brand, and so go check them out. And if you like our stuff too, follow us on Instagram, or you might want to subscribe to our channel. And you might want to check this video out here.